Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of silver. This is daily time frame. This was the low of the market, and before this low this was the previous high. After this high, market came downward up to this low. After this low, market came to this level and went up and broke this high. This was the previous high of the market. This was the low of the market. Market went up and broke this high. After breaking this high, came downward and retested here and created a support. After making this support, went upward and broke this high that was already, this high was broken, and broke this high that has broken the high, then came downward and retested the previous high and broke this resistance. This was the first this resistance R1, because from this price market has come downward. So this is the R1, and now the silver is looking at the second resistance R2, that is here. This is the horizontal line 26.213. Now this is the support where this silver has retested. This is the level from where the market has gone upward and haven't come downward. So this is not support, this is not a support, this is not support, this is not support, this is the support, and this was the first resistance. The market from here, after making this high and going to this low, this whole process was making the bullish setup. This is my swing trading strategy, in which the pairs are gold or silver break its own high and then go upward. So through this my swing trading strategy, this is now upward, and now it has broken the first resistance and now looking for going towards the second resistance. I think you like my channel, and so please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video with others. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.